Hey everybody, it's Stigler Printing. Today we're in Sapulpa, Oklahoma at the Muscogee Creek Nation Sapulpa Indian Health Center, and we're doing some indoor signage today, including some wall stencils, some perforated window coverings, and lots of placards. So let's get started.
Hey Lawrence, what are you doing right now?
So we are installing 33 custom placards. The cool thing about these placards is we've actually incorporated some artwork that was commissioned and purchased by the Muscogee Creek Nation. So we simply recreated that and are using some of the colors inside this artwork in the placard just to give it a nice custom look. So we've got one hallway down, and we've got 5 or 6 and we've got about, as you can see on the floor, we've got about 25 or so left. So we finished our sign installation here in Sapulpa, and I just want to give a thanks to Tiffany Kyle and the Muscogee Creek Nation Department of Health. This has been a fun project, and if your healthcare facility or your business in general is interested in looking at these types of products, please give us a call today or visit us at stiglerprinting.com. Have a great day.